Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about templates and tokens in the MessageWhiz workspace. In this video, we'll explain how templates work and how tokens can personalize your messages for better engagement. Templates are reusable messages that make message creation faster. To create a template, expand the Workspace menu, click on Templates, and click on Create Template. Name your template and write your message. When your message is ready, click Create, and your template will appear in the Templates menu, where it can be used to send messages. Beneath the message window, you'll see a number of tokens that can be used to customize your message. Tokens allow you to automatically insert recipient-specific details into your messages. Some of this data comes from your recipient lists, while other data is stored in the Workspace in your MessageWhiz account. Your recipient list can include columns with first name, last name, and up to 5 fields labeled Custom, Custom 1, Custom 2, Custom 3, and Custom 4, in addition to the phone number. Tokens insert information from those columns into your message. Other tokens like link, link list, shorten URL, unsubscribe link, and word spinner come from lists in the Workspace in your MessageWhiz account. Adding these tokens allows you to include this information in your message. We'll talk more about some of these tokens in other videos. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.